Welcome back, guys, and a big salute to the organizers of Tropical Jam. Like I said, all the information is on social media. You know, they have billboards everywhere. But if you do need any more information whatsoever, you can come to the studios of MX24 TV, and you're going to get all of that. You know, we're always part of the best, the biggest, the baddest, the coolest events, and this is no exception. Please send us messages at MX24 TV, and the hashtag is MXLIVE. Now, I have a guy who goes by the name Fredbaby in the studio. First of all, very interesting name. How you doing, man?
I'm doing great, bro.
Nice to have you here. Fredbaby, that's how I just want to start off the conversation. Where's that name from? Please explain to me.
Okay. So, you know, Fred, with a Fred, I'm biologically called Godfred.
Okay,
Godfred.
so Fred is your name.
Yeah, Fred is my name. Yeah. But with the baby, it comes from the ladies, like.
Oh.
Baby.
Ain't no ladies calling me baby. What's going on? Okay, so the ladies call you baby.
Yeah, and I also, you know, I've also been attached with the fact that I have a baby face too. So.
Yeah. My director said to me I'm broke, so that's why the girls don't be calling me baby. They just be passing me by. But anyways, it is what it is. You can call me J baby. I'm still gonna take it. So please send us messages again, MX24 TV, the hashtag is MXLIVE. We want to ask him anything. You know, if you've heard his music before, if you haven't, please give him your ear. I think you might like it. How long have you been making music for?
I've been making music for the past 4 years.
4 years?
Yeah.
How's that journey been so far? Has it been everything you thought it would be?
Oh, no. For now, I would say no.
What did you think the music space would be that it wasn't? Tell me about that.
So I was thinking, once you have a good song, you have the talent, that's all. You record, you go to the studio, you record a song, you put it out, and that's all.
Yeah, right? I know.
There's too much work involved.
Yeah, there's too much work. You know, one thing I think people are understanding more now, the promotion is way more involving than the actual recording the music and putting it out there. Okay, so what informed your decision to want to be an artist? Did you just always love music? Did you see, you know, like some of these greats that inspired you to make music?
Okay, so I've always loved music since infancy. I've always been around music, and I feel like it's been my calling because it started way back in primary 6.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Primary 6?
Yeah, but I wasn't actually writing then.
Okay.
But I used to be singing in class for the girls.
Yeah. This guy got the girls, man.
Yeah, so I used to be singing for them, and yeah, I actually wrote my first song when I got into the senior high school. I was in Form 2 then.
Okay.
Yeah, it was in a dining hall.
Okay.
Yeah.
You wrote the song in a dining hall?
Yeah, in the dining hall.
Wow. For a lady, I'm assuming.
Oh, no. At the time, it was a boys thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Someone just took the ladder, just playing the beat. And
okay.
I was like, yo, this is fire. Let's.
So all these little things made you decide, I think I want to do this for the rest of my life. Yeah. Okay. How did parents take it? Were they cool with it?
From the beginning, no, because you know, they were much more invested into the education side.
Which is understandable.
Because, I mean, I was a good student. So, obviously, your mom wouldn't allow you to just throw that away.
Yeah.
Like, no, you know, you're intelligent. Why do you want to just switch up? Because, you know, when it comes to the music side, parents will be like, you know, he will be doing lots of ungodly stuff. Yeah, so it's not appropriate.
Like the girls are going to be in your case, you'll be able to concentrate.
So I had to take that bold risk. But right now, my mom is one of my biggest.
For real? How does she feel when she sees you, man? Like on TV now, watching your music videos?
You know, she calls me sometimes, and she's like, Fredbaby, I just played your song to this person.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Wow.
She's been playing.
So she calls you Fredbaby?
Yeah, she calls me Fredbaby.
Your name is cool, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Who was the first girl to call you Fredbaby? Or was it like a bunch of girls calling you baby, and like, let me just put that in my name?
Yeah, I was feeling. Okay. I didn't actually get any. I think that was how the inspiration came about.
Okay, when did you record your first professional song? Like studio, like your song?
Okay, first professional studio. I think I would say it was a home. It was a home
Okay.
studio.
Tell me about that.
Yeah, so I think it was one of my friends. He had bought some studio stuff and
Okay.
set it up. So he got a producer in the house.
Oh.
That was.
You guys just put something together.
Yeah, yeah.
When you listen to that song now, what do you think about you
Yeah.
recording that song?
You
back
know,
then?
4 years ago, the kind of plugins and engineering stuff
Yeah.
the producers used to use. Then times when you listen to those songs, you be like, this producer makes the song. You know, even work on the song.
Yeah, I get that.
But when you're recording in the studio and they are playing it in the speakers, you are happy jamming, but you are in your house and they send you the song and
The audio file, right?
Charlie and Senku, you don't mix that song. Like,
Yeah, okay.
Charlie. So yeah, I think there has been so much changes
And
when it comes
growth,
to
right?
Yeah,
Over
yeah,
the past 4 years.
yeah.
How many songs do you have to like your name?
Okay, so I think 8.
8 songs.
Yeah, 8
wow,
songs.
that's
Six,
cool.
8
That's
songs, yeah.
impressive. That's cool. Were you nervous, about putting your first song out?
Yeah, I was.
Or were you like, let me just, we're gonna
Trust
love
me,
it.
trust me, I was.
You
Cause
were?
you wouldn't. That time I was in senior high school, and it was vacation. You didn't want to be trolled when you come back to school. See some
Yeah.
Yawa song you go drop.
I get that.
See everybody will be like, "Are you Charlie Sean the music?" So
Yeah.
you didn't even
I
feel
get that.
good. So
What is your focus when it comes to the message in your music? Is it like, for the ladies, because you're a Fredbaby? Is it, or are there other elements when it comes to your music?
Okay. So sometimes it's inspired by them, but sometimes it's also how I feel. You see, sometimes depression.
You're going through these
anxiety and
emotions,
all.
yeah.
So yeah, it made me put out a song titled "Loneliness." I mean, I was.
Are you going through a tough time?
Yeah. I was going through a lot, so I put a song out titled "Loneliness." Yeah, that was how.
How is it being young, right? Chasing your dream,
Okay.
at the same time dealing with these things you're dealing with publicly?
Okay.
Because how is that for you? How do you handle that? Again, this depression, this loneliness, these sad times you go through, these expectations. Because somebody say, "Oh, I've been listening to him for 4 years. I want him to blow, and he's going to do big
Yeah.
things." All these things cause pressure, for love.
yeah.
How do you deal with that?
I just put this in mind that God works at His own time, and with consistency, everything is gonna be at the right place. So, man plans. That's my thing. Man plans, but God establishes.
That's true, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You might think this song is fire. You put it out and
Yeah,
it's
you don't get the
everywhere, but
response,
no,
right?
it's
Yeah.
not like that. It's not like that. I feel like it's all about time. It's all about time. Consistency.
You have to keep going. I
Yeah.
like that. I like that. I like that. The thing is, you also got a couple of music videos which we're going to check out.
Yeah.
Before we get to the most recent song,
Yeah.
how does your girlfriend feel about your music, man? You can be honest. I'm sure she's watching.
Okay, so honestly, I don't have one.
Why did you take such a long pause to tell us,
Yeah, honestly, I don't have
Or
one.
you just broke up recently? Or she just broke your heart?
We'll talk about that one.
We'll talk about that
We'll talk
one.
about that
I
one.
like this
Yeah,
guy.
we'll talk about that one. Yeah.
So we had a music video we're playing. I was watching actually
Yeah,
before we came on air. What's that?
Shake
music?
Body.
Shake Body.
Yeah.
Tell me about Shake Body, man.
Okay. Yeah, body movement.
Body movement.
Yeah, like shake body.
Okay.
Yeah, shake body. So,
Okay. I think I want to listen to Shake
yeah,
Body.
so just jam into the song.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to check out Shake Body. When we get back, you have a new song which
Yeah.
you're promoting.
I have a new song. I had a new song which I dropped in August, but
Okay.
I'll be releasing a new song December 4th.
Okay, so your most recent song was in August.
yeah,
Oh, that's
Obahima.
relatively new.
Yeah.
I mean, in music,
Yeah.
in music lifespan, that's very, very
Yeah,
new.
so-
Okay, then we'll talk about the one coming December
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
Okay, so guys, check out Shake Body from Fredbaby. We'll be right back. Wow. So I definitely saw a lot of body shaking in that video. I'm
Yeah.
sure you had a good time.
Yeah.
I better be at your next music video shoot. At least in the background. Deal?
You should.
Deal?
You should. Yeah, deal. You should.
This guy, he's a hard guy. He's a hard guy. Okay, so this was early this year.
Early this year.
How's the response to the song, man?
It was crazy. the response.
It was?
Yeah, it was. Because, I mean, it was like, hey, Fred, you see the girls in it? You see it? Yeah. So.
I'm sure you get excited when people love your music, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It keeps you inspired to do
Right?
more.
It does. Okay, so early this year, and as you were saying earlier on, you dropped your most recent one in August.
Yeah.
Tell me about that song. What's that song called?
Obahima.
Obahima. Tell me about Obahima.
Okay, so that time, okay, I was searching. I was searching for some.
True story. Or just
yeah, inspired too. So
okay.
so I was searching, yeah, and
Did you find one?
Yeah.
You found an Obahima?
Yeah, I found an
Bro,
Obahima.
where are they? Like for real though, because I see a lot of boys here going
So
through
yeah,
it.
that Obahima.
Those two sitting there on the couch there, they're really going through emotional stress.
Yeah, so that Obahima broke my heart.
Oh no!
Yeah.
The Obahima I was searching for them broke your heart.
Yeah, so that Obahima broke my heart. So
Oh man.
so yeah, I was finding Obahima. That was how come it go out. Obahima, that song started.
Man. So I'm assuming she's not on Obahima again in your books.
She's not Obahima.
Or she still is.
No.
I don't know, she can't be on Obahima. If a girl breaks her heart, there's no way she's on Obahima again.
No.
Off.
Yeah.
So Obahima was in August.
Yeah.
How was the response to that song too?
Okay, so it was, you see, me for me my expectation was for me to just for this song I was really believing in it. So I was expecting it to like boom, but I think still needs more work.
It's fresh.
Yeah.
It's fresh. You know, August, September, October. We're
Yeah.
now in November, so
Yeah.
it's still fresh. But the cool thing is, you're saying that you're actually dropping new music in December.
In December,
Tell
yeah.
me about this song, man.
Yeah, so that
Tell me you're
was
working, man.
so the Obahima broke my heart.
Yeah.
Exactly. So the song I'm about to drop 4th December, it's titled Makuma.
Wait, is that another heartbreak song? Or that's
That's a heartbreak song.
Bro, how many heartbreaks do you go through in a year, man?
Yeah. Oh, for Obahima, I wasn't a heartbreak.
Okay, Obahima wasn't a heartbreak, but she
Shake
broke
Body
your
was
heart.
no. Shake Body 2 wasn't a heartbreak
Shake
song.
Body wasn't a heartbreak. But Obahima ended up breaking your heart.
Yeah, Obahima
And Makuma is...
yeah, Makuma is the heartbreak.
Oh, so like Makuma is a response to Obahima.
Exactly.
Holy smokes. That's a lot of emotions going around,
Yeah.
man. That's why I'm always on the streets, bro. No stress. No stress on this side. You should come to this side, bro. I tell my boys all the time, this side is happiness all day, every day. So you know what we're going to let you do? We're going to drop Makuma.
Okay.
Then we just go through the emotions more. The next year, we just jam.
Yeah.
Happy yourself.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do. Okay, so Obahima, is it like an up-tempo song or is it calm?
No, that's up tempo.
Obahima is up-tempo.
Yeah.
What about Makuma?
Makuma is
Yeah, I thought so. Normal, calm music. Okay, but it seems like your music is very relatable because, you know, people go through these emotions, both guys and girls, they go through these stuff. How do you feel when people have an emotional connection to your music?
you see, I speak through music.
Nice.
So when I receive some comments that, hey, this song is like you made it for me, or I'm like, okay,
That's nice.
that's okay, it's working.
Yeah, that's nice, that's nice. Are we going to get like any projects from you soon, like an album, an EP, or anything of the sort?
For an EP, I think next year.
Next year, God willing.
Yeah, God willing.
Okay, nice one. Before you do leave, is there anything you want to add, anything you want to tell your fans, where people can find you and everything?
Okay, so I have an initiative which I'm planning with my team. It's called Protect the Girl Child, which will be going to rural and urban areas to give them sanitary pads,
Okay.
and some pampers. You know, some of the girls, they are in the rural areas, they are not able to provide for themselves. So we want to help out. And
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. So that's one initiative you and your
Yeah.
team are gonna kick off. Has it already begun, or next year, God willing, to?
December.
Oh, December.
Yeah, December.
Okay. That's cool. That's cool. That's nice. Ladies, he's a nice guy. Stop breaking his heart, man. You know, he's trying to do something nice. Not breaking his heart. So okay, so that's coming up, and the music too is on all platforms. You know,
Yeah.
because you said what, 8 songs?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's on all platforms.
Music platform.
People can find it, they can buy it, they can support you. Do you want to tell your fans anything?
Yeah.
before you do?
So I want to give a big shout out to anyone out there who is putting in the best to support me, and I'll urge everyone to keep supporting me as well, because we are just getting started, and I really appreciate everybody. I mean, love the homies too. You know, they've been supporting since day one.
Nice.
The management, the record label, yeah, everybody who is
supporting you, right? Nice one. And shout out to your family too, man.
Yeah,
They also
my
support
mom,
you.
my mom, my dad. Yeah, so
Nice
I mean,
one. Tell mommy I want to come home and eat food. Yeah, I like food, so you know, I just pop in one day and just.
so yeah, mommy, I'll be seeing you soon. I'll be seeing you
A nice
soon.
one. God bless you, man.
Yeah.
Keep doing your thing. I'm sure in the future we're going to talk some more. If you have any new music,
Yeah.
MX24 is ready to support you. I'm ready to
I really
support you 100%.
appreciate that. I really appreciate
Nice one, man. Please, guys, find him. Check out his music. Like I said, he has new ones coming December. Stop breaking his heart. He's a nice guy. I do have to leave, but stick and say, of course, MX24 TV. We have so much more coming up. On that note, I'll see you guys later on. Salute.
Sing for me, baby.